Spill Crew is a manufacturer of safety and spill equipment. Site safety, road signs, safety signs, spill absorbents, PPE. Our product lines have moved a lot in 30 years. The new products that are coming out as standards change, as site requirements change, we move with those. More recently we've moved into modern manufacturing techniques. We've been investing money in robotics, automation. Initially people would just kick dust over some oil spill and that would be fine and nobody would worry about it. Now you need spill kits on virtually every mine vehicle, every site safety product now. The environment's changed significantly and I think it'll keep continuing to evolve.
If you have a spill, there's a requirement to clean up that spill in an efficient and timely manner. You should protect the environment that you live in. I mean, fundamentally, we've all grown up in that environment and we benefit from that environment. That's what you should do. It's the right thing to do and also it's the law.
The products we primarily sell are requirements to get on site. They're site safety, environmental products, and without our products you cannot operate or you won't have a licence to operate. So they're mandatory to get on site.
We will do site visits with our customers, big mining customers, marine customers, down to the smaller site operators, and recommend the products that they should be using to ensure that the workplace is manufacturing in a safe and efficient manner. All equipment should be backed by a standard, and more importantly for us, we meet all those standards, but we make it ourselves in Australia. We don't have that supply chain issue that we saw in COVID because we make it here and we distribute it all around Australia.
Before it was all about price, price, price. Now people are actually looking more for the value end and making sure the product's going to last the test of time. And we've seen, particularly during COVID and post-COVID, that our business has grown enormously, the increased focus on Australian made. Having the Australian made logo is vital and we put it on every product that we can.
Our customers are proud to back Australian made because they can see the benefit of supporting the Australian manufacturer. All our guys are proud and I always ring them up and tell them when we've had a big win to say, look, these guys bought all these cages because they're made to Australian standards.
It's great when you look at our people and you ask them what they feel about our business. All of them say they're proud to work for an Australian company. So I think it's a tremendous success story for Australian manufacturing.